Look right here, guys. Look what I just found. This is little Pinewoods litter snake here. Yoink. Now he's gonna try to musk on me. They do that for self-defense. Musk is a very foul-smelling liquid that they secrete from their bodies. Oh, let me try to get him here. Oh yeah, he's musking. Oh, it stinks. It sure stinks, all right. Oh, look at the little man. Look at the little man. This is awesome, guys. This little, I'm not sure if it's a baby or a juvenile. You can see this here. Musk everywhere. Look at him. This guy is